Welcome back sa kusina ni Tita Ching. Ayan, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat at muli po tayo'y magluluto. Pero bago nyan guys, kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-subscribe dito sa channel ko at nagkataon na pinapanood mo ngayon itong video na to, please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell para po kayo laging updated sa mga videos na i-upload ko. Ngayon, sa mga nakapag-subscribe na po dito sa channel ko, maraming salamat po from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much po. Ngayon, ang ating lulutuin ay we are going to make a meatloaf Filipino style. So these are the ingredients. We have 500 grams of minced pork. Yes, minced pork. Yeah. So 1 cup of spam or luncheon meat. So green pepper, red pepper, carrots, raisins. We have relish pickles, cheese, grated cheese. We have ketchup or tomato sauce. Panggisa natin is garlic and onions. Of course, we will be needing as well salt, black pepper, and oil. Yan. So first thing, we will be needing as well an egg. Yeah. So I got an egg here. Okay. Yeah, so first thing that we're gonna do, guys, is to saute this pork, minced pork. Okay. A little bit of olive oil to saute the onions and garlic. Once it's hot, just put the onions. The garlic, now that the onions and garlic becomes aromatic, that is my cue that my minced pork is ready to saute. Yeah, so we will saute the minced pork till become brown. Okay, so as you can see, guys, it's now brown. So I'm gonna put the carrots. And the tomato sauce. Then we will mix them and we will just cook for about a minute. Just 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Add raisins. Pickles. Brown black pepper. Salt. And the ham. Okay. Shall then mix together. Okay, so hayaan na natin muna na maubos yung liquid. Okay. Okay, so we will wait then till all the fluid is all gone. Okay, now that all the fluid has gone, I shall then put my cheese, the grated cheese, red bell pepper, the green bell pepper, then mix well. Okay. And then we will let it cool down. Okay, transfer in a container in a whatever lalagyan, and then let it cool down. Okay, so while waiting for our mixtures to cool down, I will then prepare my lanera. Ayan, so I line it with banana leaves. Ayan. And then I'll just put a bit of margarine. Ayan. Okay. Then set aside. Okay, so our lanera is now ready. Ayan. This is optional if you want to decorate like that, your lanera. Otherwise, you can just put it as is. Ayan. So it's now ready, our lanera. What I'm gonna do next is to put a egg sa ating mixture. just put my gloves on. Then we will mix them. There we go. Okay, so we then put the mixture in our lanera. Kailangan till to the rim. Punuin natin. We'll need to make it full. Go. Okay, so they are all filled with the mixtures. So, gawin natin is takpan natin ng aluminum foil. Yan. I will double it up. There we go. So we then put in the steamer. Oh, I think I need to put the other layer. Para isang lutuan na lang. So, steam, we need to steam for about 40 minutes. Okay, see you in after 40 minutes. It's actually nice. Let's see now the result of our what do you call this now? Meatloaf. Meatloaf Filipino style. Wow, look at that. Put that back. There you go. Our meatloaf Filipino style.